a bunch of people, or web people, whatever. I know this video is called Nature Vlog, but to be frank, I'd rather put Nature Vlog in than what I would put it as due to certain bastards who keep thumbing my shit down. Read this description. If you don't like my videos, fuck off. So that's that. So yes. Shut up, you magpie bastard. So yes. This should not be on the freaking path. Some could come along and trip up. I don't want to see like £5 lying on the ground or something. Or something like whatever. Anyone? No? Fuck's sake. So yes. Another video from yours truly. Still not sleeping well. I'm waking up every morning with freaking sore neck and shoulder as well. God, fucking annoying. And it seems I did have a cold as well, for fuck's sake. Yes. Yeah. Fuck off, you damn pigeon. So yeah, I am tired as fuck. Wish I had the money to fuck off and find my own place, my own space. Seriously, I'm gonna put shit there, put your rubbish there even. What the heck is that? So yeah, I've not been sleeping well. Oh, there's a gate over there. Some kind of bag. By the look of these trees being down here, it even looks like it's been cut down, placed here intentionally. Looks like this gate. It's not supposed to be here. Yeah, it looks like all this been blocked off. It looks like no one wants this to be used, even though it's clearly being used by alkies, by kids, with all those freaking strongbow. Shut up. Damn kids. Like good 120 quid worth of strongbow back there, that's for sure. A cheap looking bottle of whatever that is. Yes. Bastards. Still no word from a lot of the companies I've applied for. One did say are not suitable for them, apparently. Don't see why I'm not suitable. how many people are applying for that job? 2, 3 people? Like, that job office was pretty much on that job board for the best part of 30 days or something. Like, how many people applying for them and that company turning them down? Those people down, you know?